Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on ARK Survival Evolved. First, ensure you have two Xbox controllers connected to your console. Then, launch ARK Survival Evolved. From the main menu, navigate to host/local and select it. Finally, choose Play Local to initiate the split screen game setup. This is the essential first step to enjoying the game with a friend, allowing for cooperative play right from the start. Next, you will configure your game session. Here, you can adjust various game rules and difficulty settings to suit your playstyle. Be sure to select your preferred map for the adventure. Crucially, ensure that non-dedicated multiplayer is selected, which is designed for 2 players on one console. After reviewing all your choices, confirm the settings to proceed and begin your shared journey. Once Player 1 has loaded into the game world, it's time for the second player to join. Player 2 should press the menu button on their controller. This action will bring up the in-game pause menu. From there, simply select the Join ARK option. After a brief loading period, Player 2 will spawn into the same game world, ready to explore and survive together. When playing split screen, remember that each player will have a reduced view of the game world. Effective communication with your partner is key for successful resource gathering, building, and survival. You might also consider adjusting some server settings, such as experience rates or taming speed, to enhance your cooperative gameplay. Have fun exploring the vast and dangerous ARK world side by side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.